everybody, Greg Justice here, and I get a lot of questions about nutrition as part of my overall wellness daily habits. And one of the things that I do every day is a fruit and vegetable smoothie. And here's what it looks like. I always start with some organic blueberries, and you can get these anywhere. And just a little side note, I'm not getting, this is not an advertisement for any particular product, but because I just happen to use an organic blueberry and strawberry. Sometimes I get them mixed together, but today you'll see I'm gonna throw some blueberries in there. I'm gonna throw some frozen strawberries, again organic strawberries. We shop a lot at Costco, so that's where we get these, and you can get them in bulk, which is kind of nice because we use them daily. With that, I like to put some baby spinach or kale. Either one is fine with me. I kind of mix it up. Today it happens to be some baby spinach. And then I add in 1 serving of chia seeds. And then I use oat milk, and this is organic, non-dairy beverage. I don't do any dairy products, so I like to use organic oat milk. And then I'm a big fan of the Pure Paleo protein powder. It's bone broth protein, and 21 grams of good solid protein for me. And then I give it a little shake and mix it up here. Then I put it in the old blender. And then I get to enjoy a wonderful fruit and vegetable smoothie. It's one of my daily habits for nutrition.